Hey everyone, what's up? And let's talk about how you can stop the situation when you make a phone call and your number just appears as unknown. And basically, how can you stop hiding your own phone number? It's actually pretty simple, so just follow these steps to get it fixed. So at first, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down to find the Apps section entirely at the bottom. In the new iOS, it's sorted this way, but in the older versions, you'll see your apps right away. Regardless, get to the Phone app section. Then within the Phone app settings, you can scroll down until you find the menu called Show Caller ID. If you have multiple SIM cards, you can change the settings individually for each SIM card, which is very useful. So tap on the SIM card that you want to customize, and literally the only option will be to enable or disable showing of your caller ID, which means the phone number or your name if someone has you saved in their contacts. And that is essentially how it works. I hope you have found this video helpful. If you did, please let me know about it down below in the comments. Hit the thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you in the next video.